chainsaw at 6 a.m. Rev your truck till the windows bend. Kids on trampolines scream like war, and there's bass thumping through every door. You got blowers howling like a banshee crew, dogs barking just to bark at you. Pressure washers hum like jet turbines, but my rooster crows and I'm paying fines. Oh, it's louder than a rooster every damn day. From the lawnmowers moaning to the birthday DJ. You fire off fireworks till the sky turns red, but my bird sings dawn and they want him dead. If peace and quiet's what they claim to see, why's the neighborhood sound like a war each week? Garage band 2 doors down, can't play a lick, but they jam every night till my drywall splits. Some folks got a hot tub that groans and steams, sounds like a cow in a blender screaming dreams. You can shout at your phone, cuss in the street, party so hard the cops retreat. But my little rooster, proud and loud, gets shut down cause he drew a crowd. Take his crow over your daily roar, at least his noise don't start a war. He never meant harm, he just sang the sun, did what roosters do since time begun. But the noise police came with a fake smile grin, said, sorry son, no crowing within, baby. Oh, now it's louder than a rooster, and it always will be. From the leaf blower symphony to the nightly TV, you want silence, move underground. Up here noise is the national sound, but you banned my bird, cut down my pride. Now the neighborhood howls and I just sigh. So here's to the rooster who stood too tall in a world where nonsense gets to brawl. He crowded with heart, not with hate, and now he's gone, but y'all still ain't